Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentester's Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called Hack Me Please. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. Let's just open here. So, so first here you just type here as a sudo su, enter your password, then you just type here as net discord I80. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine here, so I just quit now. I just type here as nmap minus repo minus a is an aggressive scan, enter our target IP address. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So nmap results, it may take a little bit time. Um, So we have got the nmap result. Now let me would like to look here. One is available within Apache server, another one is available with MySQL, another one is available with only in MySQL. That's it. So there is nothing else. So let's we just file edit tab. So first we would like to visit to our targeted IP address. We just enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.58. So where you can look here from here. So most hackers are young because young people tend to be adaptable. As long as you remain adaptable, you can always be a good hacker. Emmanuel Gold Einstein. So we would like to look at the pesos. In the pesos, like to look here. So in this let me look here. So here, there is an script unmain.js. So just type here as click on new, open in new tab. So here we have got it here as a subdomains or something. So just copy this here. This is a make sure this is a file same as installed in the app on the server endpoint. So let me just open new tab here. You just type it as a endpoint. Let it paste here. Now let me just come back here. So we would like to utilize here as cd a directory search. So let me make it a little bit big and I just type here as, so I just type here as a Python pick and I just type here as directory search dot python minus u from here. Now I would like to utilize only my targeted IP address HTTP and your targeted IP address 192.168.18.58. Then I would like to utilize only this as, so let's just copy, let's paste it here. Then first we would like to run this. Now I would like to utilize this, come back here. Now we would like to copy this one. Now I just paste it here. So this was, there is a gap, that's why. So where I have got it here, so you just write here as username admin, password is a password, then select language as an English and login, try to log in here. So we can't able to log in here, so we just need to come back here. So where we have this a config. Now let's come back here. So here in the config we not yet get anything else, so just copy this. Now we just try clear. I just type here as config. So we would like to look here from now here. So after we would like to look from here, what else we can get it here, the output of the results. So I have got this one. So we just I just copy this one, come back here. So I let me paste it here. A settings.html, XML. So where we like to look here, enable a password to forget XYZ thing. So we just need to look here, SMTP, uh, connectors, false enabled. So we would like to look, I just make a little bit big to understand very good. So database password. So we would like to I just entirely just copy this one, come back here. In this, let we just paste it here. Database username is SEEDDMS. So let's copy this one. Now let's come back here. Now just type cd, just type it here. Now we just type utilize here as MySQL. Host is enter your target IP address 182.16.18.58. Let's paste it the username. Let it paste the password. Password is, let's come back here. This is the password. Just copy. Now let it paste it here. So we have login here. Now just type here as show databases. Now just type here as select is start from. So we just we just type here as use SEEDDMS. We just type here as show a tables. So we have a lot of tables, so we just need to utilize here as one is tables along with the uh, what is this we would like to utilize here, table password history and table users. That's it. So now let me you just type here as select is start from users. Let paste it. So we have got it all the users. So we just entirely just copy this users back here. So where we have got it here. Now next step is what is this? This one. We just type here as select is start from. Uh, so we just use a select start from a table users. So let's paste it. So we have a password this one. So let's copy this one. Now let's come back here. So let's type it as a crack station. Then let me just place here as cyber chef. That's great. We just go here. So come back. So let me paste this. So let me like place. Oh, this is for bridges. So let me verify. So try to crack this. It's not identified. Now let's come back. Just paste here. Now we just utilize here as MD5. Uh, so yes, it was an MD5. So we have confirmed that. Now let me. We would like to utilize here is open new tab. Just type here as echo minus n. Let me just utilize is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let me make a little bit big. MD5 sub. So it's not a working out. Now let me like to look here. No. So let we just remove this here. So let me I just here md5 sum, so where I have got this, so let me just copy here. Now we just need to update this, so just type here as update. Now in the update is where we need to update what we need to update this a in the table as a table users, and we would like to put here and where we need to type here as set pwd equal to, so just paste it, come back here, open new tab, let me I just copy this one, come back here, paste it, then we just type here as where id equal to 1, that's it, in the admin place, so where I have updated successfully. Now you can look here, that was successfully updated. Now you just type here as exit, that's great. Now let's come back here. Now uh, we try to log in with 12345 6, so let's come back here, so you just close this. Admin password is 123456 and setup here is an English. Now we see here SEEDDMS, so now just come back here, just type here as is exploit SEEDDMS. So we would like to utilize here remote command execution. So we just utilize this. So let me just copy this one. Now let's come back here. You just type here as exploit db cdms. Let's come back here. That's great. Now we would like to utilize here this one. Let it load. Here now we just need to log in into the application. We already did the application. Then choose a document as a simple PHP backdoor. So this is a simple PHP backdoor, so we don't want. So I would like to utilize a reverse shell, a PHP reverse shell. Now after uploading, check the document ID and corresponding of the document. Now go to the example.com, add a data and the document and to get the reverse shell. Okay, that's right. Now we would like to uh, add a subfolder. Add a subfolder. You just type here as a test folder. Let me just type here. Now let's come back here. So you just type here as folders. You can look here a test folders. In this test folders, add a document. Now you just type here as a or shell. That's great. Now we just need to come back here. So I already have a PHP shell here in my system. So you just type here as no, just type clear. So let me I already have a reversal.php. Now I just type here as a cat rshell.php, where I have a rshell.php, where I have configured my targeted IP address and port is 7890. Now just type clear. Just type here as config is 139. You just type clear. You just type here as netcat minus lvmp 7890. So uh, now let me come back here. So just click on here. You just type here as partial.php. Just open this. Click on add document. So we have a successfully added the document. Now just come back here, a folder. So it was IDA2 XYZ things. So now we would like to look here a partial.php. ID is 4. Okay, that's great. Now let's come back here. Now we just need to get it from here as a data and document and PHP. So let's copy this one, come back here. So we would like to utilize here as something here. We would like to type here as HTTP and hello targeted IP address 192.168.18.58. Then we just need to use this PyX. So just copy this one. Let's paste it. Then let's come back here. So just type here as a data document id 1.php. Let's come back. Let I just paste it here. So what is my a document id? Document id is 4. Let's come back here. Document id is 4. That's it. So I just need to put a forward slash here. So this is my uh, to looking a reverse shell. Now let's come back here. So before you can entering, you can see here you have set up the netcat listener. That was great. Now let's come back here. Try to enter. So where I have got connected here. Now just type ID. We have got it here. So just type here which Python. You not get here. So just type here as which Python 3. You got it here. So just type here as Python 3 minus C import a pty span big bash. That's great. Now just type here as plus minus here. Now just go to first we just type here as export a term equal to extra. Now just type here. Now just type plus minus. So let me I would like to go to here cd home list minus here. So where we have a socket in this socket and socket user. So we would like to try here. So just copy this one. Su a socket. Let paste this a password where we have successfully logged in here. So authentication failure. So why it was get an authentication failure? Let me like here. So we have something issues here. Once we would like to come back here very fast. So we just type here as cd a socket. It was permission is denied. We just type here as su a socket. Let's come back here. So let me just copy this one, come back and let me paste it. So I have successfully logged in here. So now just type here as list minus a. Now let me just type here as clear. Now just type as cd a socket. Now just type list minus a. So now we would like to, there is no any useful information. Now just type here, just type here as sudo minus l. Let paste in this password. So it was all. So to get a root relay, you just type sudo su. I have successfully came to a root. You just type list minus l. We are came here. So just type as cd a root. Now just type list minus l. Nothing else here. So app.apk SQLite history. That's it. Now just type here as. So here is nothing else. So just type here list minus l. So here is nothing else. Anything. That's it. So you try your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.